One way to multiply two-digit numbers is to align them vertically. Let's multiply the numbers 28 and 35. The first thing you need to do is to multiply all the digits on the top row by the ones place in the bottom row. Always start with the ones place. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. Let's put the 0 from the 40 under the problem and carry the 4, writing it just above the tens place. Finish multiplying the top row by the 5, focusing now on the tens place in 28. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. But we also need to add on the amount that we carried. Since we carried a 4, let's add 4 to our 10 and write the answer below the problem. We have just multiplied 28 by 5 and see that that equals 140. Now, we need to take the 28 from the top row and multiply it by the 3 in the bottom row. We'll write our answer here because we are in the second stage of the problem. Since the 3 in 35 is in the tens place, it has a value of 30. To show that we're multiplying tens, we need to put a 0 here. Next, we multiply the 8 in 28 by the 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Write down 4 on the second line of your answer space and carry the 2. Finally, let's multiply the 2 and the 3, then add on the value that we carried. 2 times 3 is 6. And when we add on the carried 2, we get 8. Write your answer down below, making sure you line up your place value. Finally, we add each column to get our final answer.